Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today we are making healthy Trix cereal. It's paleo, it's free refined sugars, naturally sweetened, and no artificial colors, which is super important. So I'm starting off with some almond flour, great high in fiber, healthy fats, which are going to keep you full and reduce cravings. So you don't get cravings for the sugary, carby cereals like the regular Trix. Adding in some tapioca flour as well as coconut sugar, which is my staple sugar because it's unrefined and has a lower glycemic index. A little bit of baking powder, which is just going to help them kind of puff up. So then we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together, and I will leave all the other healthified recipes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Pop-Tarts and Reese's down the description, so if you haven't seen those. Adding in an egg and some coconut oil, and then I'm going to add in some vanilla just for a little bit of flavor to these so they have a nice undertone basis. Then you just need to mix that all together until you get a nice crumbly dough. So this is what's going to be the basis of our cereal, and then in order to get the colors and the flavors, we're going to be adding in freeze-dried fruit. So these are freeze-dried strawberries, as you can see here, and I'm doing 4 different flavors. So I did strawberry, berry, banana, and peach, and then to the peach one I just added a little bit of spirulina for color to make it pretty, but that part is totally optional. Then you're going to need about a tablespoon or heaping tablespoon of each of the finely ground freezer-dried fruit. So I just blended it in my processor, and then you get all the different powders. Now the great thing about this is it's so concentrated fruit flavor, but because it's not dried fruit and it's powdered, it really absorbs into the dough. So you're just going to stir that together and incorporate the freeze-dried fruit into your dough. And guys, the color payoff and the flavor is so good. So once it's fully combined, I'm just going to take a little bit and make my little Trix shapes. So you can make them as small or as large as you like. Don't make them too large, but I would say half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Your patience will probably run out a little bit like mine did. So they got a little bit bigger towards the end, but these are all the different colors. We bake them at 325 for 15 minutes. So there you have your Paleo Trix cereal. It was super easy to make. It's just a bit time consuming to make the balls, but I love that there's no artificial stuff in there, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial colors. It all comes naturally from the fruit and adds a sweetness too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. You guys really requested this one, so I was super excited to share it with you. Let me know in the comments what you want me to healthify next. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.